Look at this amazing cafe in Delhi. Where is it located? This is a fab cafe, guys. It is located in Sundar Nagar Nursery opposite to Humayun Tomb, Nizamuddin. So now let me tell you the parking charges here. So it's 100 rupees for the vehicle, and the entry charges are 40 rupees per person. So Sundar Nursery is full of picturesque lawns, historical tombs and beautiful lakes where you and your bae can walk around, hold hands and take pictures. So now let's discuss about the timings. So you can visit this cafe from 8 a.m. in the morning to 6 p.m. in the evening. Now why this is famous? This is basically famous for the amazing view of the lake. It's so peaceful and serene. They have both indoor sitting as well as outdoor sitting. So if you are planning to go in winters, you can choose outdoor sitting. Imagine basking in sun with a lakeside view, reading your book with some lip-smacking snacks and a cup of hot beverage. Quite interesting, right? So this cafe has a nice menu, especially for those who are health conscious. So you can order any healthy food from here, but we found it little expensive. So basically the quantity is less, otherwise food is good. So on weekend there is too much rush, especially on Sunday. So it's best if you can plan to come here on weekdays, because we went there on Sunday and it was too crowded and we had to wait for some time. So most people are not even aware of this place. When I asked some of my friends who stay in Delhi, they have no idea of this place. So guys, you can at least visit here once to take the experience. And yeah, most importantly, this is a pet friendly zone. So if you have pet, you can bring your pets here and they can play around. So we had a pretty good time there. It was new for us, the lakeside cafe, and that too in Delhi. So we really enjoyed it. You can also visit here once to explore this place more, and do share your experience with us. I will recommend you guys to go little early, as they take last order around 6 p.m. and they close the restaurant by 7ish. So better to go early so that you can enjoy more. So if you don't want to go to a Fab Cafe, you can also visit only Sundar Nursery. It's huge, and there is a tuck shop at the entrance from where you can buy snacks and coffee, and it's pretty reasonable. So guys, if you really liked our video, then do press the like button and share this video with your friends and family. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So guys, we will soon come with our next video. And before saying goodbye, I really wanted to thank you to those who are supporting our channel and giving such a motivational comments. So guys, thank you so much for that. I love you all. Bye bye, take care.